Electrical Machine 2, Subject Code EX501, Numerical Example on Self-Excited DC Generators. A shunt generator delivers 450 amperes at 230 volt, and the resistance of the shunt field and the armature are 50 ohms and 0.03 ohm respectively. Calculate the generated EMF. The given numerical can be expressed using a schematic diagram in which a circuit can be drawn showing armature in parallel with the shunt field winding and this parallel combination connected with the load as this circuit describes that the load is consuming 450 amperes at 230 volt. In order to calculate the generated EMF, it is required to calculate the total amount of armature current delivered by the DC generator. In order to calculate the armature current, we need to calculate first how much is the field winding or shunt current in the field winding. By calculating the current through shunt field winding by dividing the resistance 50 ohms with a voltage across it which is common between the load and the field winding. Since shunt winding, armature and load are mutually parallel to each other. So the shunt current is equal to 230 volt divided by 50 amperes 50 ohm of resistance is equal to 4.6 amperes. In order to calculate the armature current, we already know that the load current I is equal to 450 amperes. And we have also calculated the shunt current flowing through the field winding. Applying KVL at the node where the load, field winding, and armature is interconnected, we can calculate armature current IA equal to I load current plus shunt field winding current ISH. The total armature current is equal to 450 plus 4.6 ampere, that is equal to 454.6 amperes. Before we calculate the EMF generated by the armature, it is required to also calculate the total voltage drop across the armature resistance. Armature voltage drop is equal to IA RA. IA armature current 454.6 amperes multiplied by RA 0.03 ohms equal to 13.6 volt. Now, the generated EMF represented by capital E subscript G is equal to the terminal voltage plus the armature drop V plus IA RA. Therefore, the EMF generated in the armature is equal to 230 plus 13.6 volt. 243.6 volt is the total voltage generated by armature, is also the numerical answer for the given problem.